Hi, welcome to this Silex ClickShow information video. Today I'm going to show you how to install and to use the Silex ClickShow R101. First, let's see what's in the box. In the box you will find the ClickShow base unit along with two antennas and the power cable, plus the HDMI button with its cables, the USB cable and the HDMI cable, and four connectors: Thunderbolt 3, Mini HDMI, Mini DP, and DP. Now let's install the device. First, we install the two antennas by placing them in the right place. Then we get the HDMI cable coming from the main display and we plug it in the HDMI port of the base unit. Finally, we plug the power cable in the power socket and we power on the unit. Once the base unit is powered, the wallpaper will appear. This is how you know that you can start sharing. So now, let us see how to use the button. Before using the HDMI button for the first time, we need to plug its cables in the appropriate place. It comes with a USB cable for powering, for button pairing, and for reverse control, and with an HDMI cable. So the USB cable gets plugs in the right port and the HDMI cable in the HDMI port, and your button is ready to be used. If the device you wish to share from doesn't have an HDMI port, you can choose one of these connectors: Thunderbolt 3, Mini HDMI, Mini DP, or DP. They all plug into the HDMI cable. So you choose the one that you need and you plug it into your HDMI cable, then into your device. So now we're going to plug the HDMI button, the USB cable and the HDMI cable into the laptop. And once this is done, we wait for a few seconds and we'll be able to share. Once the light on the button is static blue again, you can start sharing by clicking on the button. And to stop sharing, you click on the button again.